Good evening. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 10th, 2015. A very wet evening is definitely in place with heavy rain and embedded thunderstorms throughout the region, producing very impressive rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, localized flash flooding, and just a mess out there for the rush hour. Temperatures are significantly cooler than what we've been seeing this week, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and lower to mid 70s along the coast, with winds from the northeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We have plenty of rain on the way, as very heavy rain over eastern Pennsylvania will rotate through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area through this evening and into the overnight hours. This is the first wave of low pressure, and we also have one more behind it for overnight tonight, and then another cold front with a wave of low pressure for Saturday. So you can see with this heavy rainfall, you see these yellows and oranges here that are popping up. Those are the embedded elevated thunderstorms. There's another pocket here over Long Island. These thunderstorms are not severe, but they're capable of intense heavy downpours. And so that's what's producing your localized flash flooding. Tonight I'm going to show you the water vapor satellite picture. This is a product I love to use. It's a tool that I think more meteorologists should use because it really gives you details on what's happening in the atmosphere. And what we have here is a ton of tropical moisture coming up from the Gulf of Mexico, and in fact connected to a hurricane that's out in the Pacific that is rapidly weakening and becoming a tropical depression as I speak. That moisture is streaming up along a cold front that is stalling out, as that cold front is running up against a ridge, which we can see right here, in the Atlantic. So as a result, you have your cooler air, almost fall-like air, building into the coast, but at the mid-levels of the atmosphere, you still have all this tropical moisture, all this tropical air. So as a result, you end up with very heavy rainfall, and you can see that gradient shows up very nicely where we have all these dark blues and oranges and reds showing up. That is a clear sign of lifting, and you can see that tropical air mass extends all the way back into the eastern Great Lakes. So we have one wave of low pressure here that is producing heavy rain this afternoon and evening. The second wave of low pressure overnight tonight, producing another round of moderate to heavy rainfall overnight tonight. And then we're going to get a break in between this low pressure system and this cold front for much of the day tomorrow and also on to Saturday morning. And then this cold front will move through on Saturday evening on through Sunday morning, with another wave of low pressure developing along that cold front, producing another wave of moderate to heavy rainfall. So we're looking anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain in general, with locally heavier amounts possible in some of these elevated thunderstorms, and we've seen that already in several locations. So in our forecast for tonight, our wave of low pressure moves through. The second one is approaching with periods of rain. That rain will continue on through the overnight hours, tapering off towards the morning. So your morning rush hour may start off a little wet, but definitely dry out as you head towards 8, 9 a.m. in the morning. Look for low temperatures in the mid-60s with overcast cloud cover and scattered showers. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with some breaks here and there. Temperatures are going to be pretty much where they should be for this time of year, basically in the mid to upper 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday night, we're going to remain dry. I can't rule out an isolated shower or two in this environment, but most locations will remain dry. And as we head into Saturday morning, clouds will start to increase again. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s with a few widely scattered showers. By the time we get to the afternoon and evening hours, widespread rainfall will redevelop once again. We're looking at high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the entire region, with moderate to heavy rainfall, especially after 5 p.m. throughout the region. On Sunday morning, that low pressure system is going to be sitting right over New Jersey, so Sunday morning looks rather wet, but it will be drying out by the time we get to Sunday afternoon with overcast cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid-60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid-70s. High pressure takes hold for the rest of the next week. On Monday, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. On Tuesday, again, high pressure in place, clear skies can be expected. Low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Wednesday as well, clear skies in place, low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. And on Thursday, with high pressure sitting strong right over the region, clear skies expected with low temperatures in the mid 60s and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.